Welcome to the next lesson, and in this lesson we will see that how we can add breaks in the tables. So before we do that, let's very quickly remove all of the conditional format. So I will just right click on the column and uncheck any conditional format, and I will do the same in the sales price column as well. All right. Okay. So here we have the table with very basic formatting, and I have removed all the conditional formatting from this table. So the topic that we are going to cover is how to add breaks in the table. So again, we have a table with lots of data, and we have different categories and different article labels and so on, but we want to group the table based on a certain category. So for example, we will say that all the jewelry items in one specific category, all the t-shirts in one specific category. So breaks basically means that we want to create a grouping of items based on a certain column. So in order to create those breaks, so what we will do is we will select the whole table, which we are calling it as block 1, and then you right click once you have selected the whole table. So let me do again. Okay, so you right click, and then once you right click the table, then you go here to the data section, and from the data section we have here the last option, which is add break. So you click, and once you click on the add break, so on this panel, the block 1 panel, you will see that you have a drop down list, and you can then select that against which column you want to create that break. So we want to create a break based on the category, so we can just check here the category and click OK. All right, so here we have a break, and if we just change the view to the reading mode, so we can see here that we have a break based on the category. So this is the first category, 2 pocket shirts and all the items which are from this category. Then we have the second category, all the items in the second category, and if we scroll down, so we can see all the remaining categories. All right, and you can see here a line at the end of the category with a different color, or like a section with a different color. So this basically is coming if we go back to the design mode, and if we select the whole table one more time. Okay, if we select not the cell, but if we select the whole table, which we are calling it as block 1. So once you select the whole table, and then if you go to the formatting and click here on the appearance settings, and from there you can choose any background color. So this background color is visible here as a line at the end of each category. Okay, so that is how you can work with breaks. You can create different sections on a table, and with a little bit of formatting you can make this category sections much more beautiful, and much more interactive, and much more easy to read as well.